Are you struggling to get organized or to remain organized once you get there? Well, that's what we're going to talk about on The Everyday Leader. Hey, welcome back to the Everyday Leader channel. I'm Jim Burgoon, your leadership coach, and I help entrepreneurs like you lift the lid on their leadership abilities so that they could become a leader worth following. This is a segment where I love to answer your questions and give you tips and strategies in under 2 minutes. Today's topic is organization. I'm going to give you a quick riff on how to get organized. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell, and let's begin now. The topic of organization comes up a lot. Matter of fact, it comes up in so many conversations because there's people like myself who struggle with organization. It's not a skill. It's not a spiritual gift in our lives. We're not the most organized people in the world because we have different personality types. There are types of personalities who are super uber organized, right? My wife is one of those personalities. She's always organized, has a place for a thing, things for places, right? And are you somebody who is really organized? Let me know in the comments. But there are many of us who aren't organized. We're so visionary types that we like to look to the future. We like to get things done, and we do these things and understand that organization sacrifices. But we get frustrated because we know that if we got more organized, we'd be able to do more. So we're like, I need to be organized. I need to be organized. So here's the thing. If you're at a place where you're saying, I need to be organized, you need to outsource it. You're an entrepreneur. You're somebody who needs to be focused on their craft, on what you're really good at. My greatest strengths is communication. My greatest strengths are people. My greatest strengths are not organization. So if you're at a place to want to be organized, if you're at a place to get to the next level of organization, hire it out. Whether you hire a VA from the Philippines or the United States, wherever you are, or you hire some coach or some person in your local town to say, hey, if I pay you, will you come get me organized? That is the best use of your time because you're an entrepreneur. You don't need to focus on things you're not great at. You need to focus on everything that you're great at so that you can build your business and lives can be impacted. And if you're focusing on the wrong things, it's a distraction to what you're here and what God created you to do. So it's in the midst of that I challenge you. If you're already asking the question, how do I become more organized? You're already at a place where you're ready to pay somebody to organize you. Use your time and energy wisely, put it into your strengths, outsource your weaknesses, and become that leader worth following. Guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me on the video. I want you to go ahead and do me a favor. Let me know where you are in the organizational journey down in the comments. Then I want you to follow the next video so that you could become a leader worth following. And I'll see you there.